Nabila with MailMint. As you know, MailMint recently released its integration with JetFormBuilder. So if you're using JetFormBuilder, you can now use MailMint to collect leads with it. So today I'm going to show you how you can use JetFormBuilder and MailMint to collect leads and create targeted email campaigns. So let's get started. To collect leads with JetFormBuilder, you need to install and activate the plugin on your WordPress dashboard. As well as you need to have the MailMint free and pro version installed and activated on your site as well. As you can see, I've already done that, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you the form that I created using the JetFormBuilder. So let's click on JetFormBuilder. So this is the form that I have created, which is the subscription form. If I go here, you can see that I have a field which is the email field, and I also have created a checkbox as well. So basically the main field here is the email one. So if you click on email, you can see that I have given the label as email. I can also give a form field name if I want. It's not mandatory, but I have given it as email too. So I haven't added any description here. You can add a description as well. Please provide a valid email. Now, the main thing that you need to focus on is the field type. So if you're adding an email field here, you also have to match it with the field type, which is email. All right. The rest of the fields are not that important for you to run an automation in MailMint. So this is basically the main stuff you need from the JetFormBuilder. So I'm going to go ahead and update this. Well, let's go back, and I'm going to show you in which page I've embedded this form. So here is a newsletter page where I have added the shortcode of this form. Now I'm going to go to MailMint automations. Now I'm going to create a new automation, and I'm going to click on start from scratch. Let's give it a name as lead collection. So now I'm going to click on select a starting point. So you can see that an option for JetForm has appeared here. So basically these are the two events where I can create an automation for. All right. So if I click on form submitted, I will have to select the form that will be submitted by a prospective lead or my customer. So you can see that the form that I have just created has appeared here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. Now for the next action, I'm going to, let's say, add them to a specific list. So I'm going to click on the action which is add to list. So I'm going to go ahead and add them in this new lead list. Then if you want, you can send an email campaign right here in the automation, or you may send email campaigns to them later, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you how you can do it from here. Then I'm going to click on action again, and now I'm going to add email sequence. So here I can select the welcome series email sequence that I have created priorly. So now all you have to do is click on start workflow. Once you do that, you can see that your automation will be active, and you can see the stats from here. Now let's go ahead and show you one. Now if I go to my page, which was the newsletter, and I am going to preview it in an incognito tab. So here it is. Now let's say I'm going to add a test email. Let's say test123@gmail.com. I'm going to submit this. You can see that my form has been submitted successfully. Now let's go ahead and see if I have been added to the contact list or not. So here you can see that the test123@gmail.com has been added to my contact list, and it has been added under the new lead list. you can see that the status isn't pending because here my double opt-in option is enabled. So if I go ahead and change it to subscribed, then my contact will be updated and it will be in the subscribed status. So this is basically how you can use JetFormBuilder to collect leads and send targeted email campaigns to your prospective clients. So this is it, guys. This is how you can use JetFormBuilder and MailMint to collect leads and send targeted email campaigns to your prospects. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned.